Hello, food folks. Yeah, welcome back to our session. So today we are with you can see here our panelists back again with Kakisha here, and then we have some new faces on the camera, but they have been here right behind the camera, but they are new. There's Kabilkis and Tias, and back with me again, Gio. So how are you guys today?
Tired, hungry.
I'm good.
Okay, so the reason why some of them are hungry because by the time we take this video it's currently Ramadan, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
We are fasting.
they are fasting. So and for today's topic I think it's not really fit to the condition because
No,
we
I
are
think
talking. So today's topic I think it's not really fit to the condition because our topic is about favorite food. So
No, I think it's actually fitting because if we're hungry, we think about our favorite food.
Yeah.
it makes sense, but doesn't it make you guys more hungry?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's not like very tough because we just think about the food. Like we're just thinking about the food, not thinking about being hungry.
So you are not going to buy it after this, right?
Yeah, maybe we don't know. We don't know.
You think what I wanna eat
Later,
After-
right? Not after this session,
Yeah,
right?
no.
Later, when.
Later.
Okay, so we are going to talk about our favorite foods, but with one rule: we are not going to explain why. Okay.
Okay, just
So just
on top of our minds.
yeah. So who's going to start first?
Maybe Tias.
Yeah, Tias.
My favorite food, I think it's rendang.
Not questionable, isn't it? Like
No, I think it's not questionable. I think it's because it's more of a authentic food to Indonesia. It's a very not safe but very comforting food for many Indonesian people.
like almost all of Indonesian people really love this food, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially people abroad who come home to Indonesia or maybe going abroad. They usually bring like rendang, like the dried version of rendang.
Oh,
Do you know? Yeah,
There's
dried version. It's
Oh.
their vacuum. Yeah, a vacuum one. And the dried version, it's almost like dendeng, but it still tastes.
it's spiced with
Yeah, it's spiced with
rendang
rendang.
spices. Oh,
So it's more like can be stored for a long time.
okay, makes sense. How about you, Kak?
I like chicken. I almost eat every day chicken.
Is there any like special treatment to the chicken, like
favorite.
how it's
Okay.
cooked?
I think I like many chicken in the spicy.
Oh, it's
Like
spicy way.
any
Any
geprek, oku chicken,
oh,
or Korean spicy.
so it's just cooked in spices, right? There? Not any specific cook, like maybe balado or something. Just
Just any
just
spicy
make
chicken
sure
you
it's
want.
spicy enough.
Yeah.
See. How about you, Kak?
For me, I have 3.
Wow.
Oh,
One is Indomie, specifically Indomie rendang, not in the jumbo one, the normal one.
why? Why not?
It
the jumbo?
tastes just different. If you want 2, just cook 2. Don't use the jumbo one.
Oh.
And then any type of dessert, I like almost every type. If there's a dessert, I will eat it.
Mhm.
And then the last one is it's actually very niche. It's actually what is it called? Prawn, but isn't. Oh my god. Telur asin. Salted egg. Salted egg.
Oh,
Salted egg,
so
but
it's
it's
like fried
prawn.
prawn with salted egg.
Yeah, not chicken because usually people like Indian chicken, right?
chicken.
But I like it in prawn.
How often do you eat it?
Maybe every day if
Every
necessary.
day.
If necessary. Sometimes it's every day. Sometimes I got sick of it and eat it once a week. Sometimes once a month.
So
It's very
okay. So I think it's easier for me to say what I don't want to eat, what I dislike, than
Yes.
what I like to eat.
I think it's more easy because we know what food we don't like more. Because if we like a certain food, we can eat it like maybe 2 weeks later or something like that, right? If you don't want to eat this food, you're not going to eat this food.
Yeah, exactly. How about you guys? I think I didn't ask about how often do you guys eat your favorite food?
For me, it's not every day because because it's too
So hard to find food.
Nah, it's not hard
No,
to find
no,
here because like
Because
Okay.
different parts of Indonesia, different regions of Indonesia.
Yeah.
different types
it's
of
Different
food.
hard
types
to
of
find. It's
the exact rendang that you like.
yeah.
What do you like? The exact rendang do you like?
Yeah. For me, it's my mom that
Oh, okay.
make it, but in Semarang, rendang it's more sweet for me,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so it's hard to find that I like.
Okay.
Because I think
It's more because Japanese people like sweet
Sweets,
things.
yeah, that's what I want to say. How about you, Kabikis?
Honestly, just like what I said, I think I eat chicken
Like
almost
almost
every
every
day. Just different from like
Yeah. So because I don't have like really specific favorite food, I think I eat every day. So
Yeah.
Because
What's
you're not picky eater, right?
I'm not just dislike some of the food, but it's
what foods do you don't like actually?
bitter good.
What is that?
what?
Pare,
Oh.
bitter
Oh.
good.
Oh,
Yeah,
but
because
it's
of the
like
name it's bitter. Even though like you cook it,
Until
Really?
it's not bitter, right?
I think I haven't tried when it's cooked until it's bitter. Like you make it as as vegetable. I
Oh.
only eat it on siomai.
Oh, is there siomai with bitter? I
There
don't
is
never.
Like they use the not the skin, the fruit without the inside of it,
Ah,
and put the siomai meat there.
I didn't know there is a. I never knew that.
Really?
Yeah,
But like there is a siomai with tofu and
I know with siomai with tofu and everything.
cabbage.
No, I know.
There is
Yeah, I
one
don't
with bitter good.
I never seen it.
Yeah, you-
Sumai Bandung.
Oh,
Yeah,
I never seen
maybe it's specifically
maybe it's specifically in that region.
region. Yeah. So, do you think like this favorite food is just like because you are here in Semarang, so your favorite food is this food, or is like just your favorite from your childhood, like from back before?
I think it's for me, for Indomie, it's like maybe a comfort food for everyone because it's easy to make, it's very easy to find, and it's very easy to bring everywhere, right?
Yeah.
And then it's easy to make and easy to find and it's almost like easy for everyone,
Yeah.
like all ages also to cook it. And for desserts, I really like sweet stuff. That's why I like desserts. Any kind of desserts. I like the sour sweet stuff. I like the bittersweet stuff. Anything but sweet. Anything it's dominant sweet is
Okay, so it's just like it's lifelong.
yeah,
Because
it's
you like
lifelong.
sweet from.
Yeah, from the beginning.
How about you, Kak?
I also have some reason with Kak Risa. Chicken in here like easy to find, and everywhere we can find any
Yeah,
chicken,
it's like
chicken geprek or and like
Chicken goreng, fried chicken.
fried chicken.
yeah,
like that.
chicken is I think
Basic.
almost everyone in the
Yeah.
world eat it. So
It's the one thing that united us is fried chicken.
yeah. How about it, yes?
For me, it's my favorite food. It's rendang, but same with Kabilkis. For every day, I'm eating chicken because it's easy to find. Like chicken geprek is more easy to find, like rather than rendang.
Okay, so but do you like rendang like from the beginning, or like there is a
One
phase,
specific moment.
like one specific moment that makes you like rendang.
I like rendang from beginning. Like my mom is my family is not from Sumatera. My mom is from Java, but my mom is always trying to cook rendang. So I feel happy if my mom cook it.
Okay, so yeah, like from the firstly you tried your mother's rendang, you
Yes.
already liking it. Okay. For me specifically, I think because I don't have literal favorite food. I think it's just face. Like
No, because you don't have a favorite food. What food are you craving right now? So we can like judge it.
oh, okay, so I think what I crave lately
Oh, yeah, like
is it's beef burger maybe.
okay.
And I think it's phase. It's a phase, right?
Yeah.
Like maybe in a week I crave for this food,
Yeah.
and then in the next week I crave for another food.
Especially during Ramadan, you want to like find every type of food. I usually buy a lot of food,
Yeah.
but I end up don't
Eat
Then
it all.
eating it all.
So where's
So,
the rest
I
go?
go with my friends, so we can share it. So no food waste, no food waste.
Yeah, because we are food technologists.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, not to food waste. Okay, next we are. I'm going to ask about what makes the favorite that food is your favorite. Is it just like the taste, or there is something more behind it?
I think it's not something behind it for me. Indomie, I like specifically my mom's Indomie. I don't know why it's different.
So your mom has
My
A
mom
secret
cook it.
recipe,
Cook it's
or
different. No, it's actually
just
just
the
the technique. I don't know why it's different. Maybe because I associated like when I was little, associating with Indomie is my mom's cooking, my mom's job.
yeah.
Even though I have like sisters that can cook it for me, and maybe like some housemates who can cook it for me or something, or burjo or from burjo or from the AA from AA
Yeah.
burjo, but it's still different. My mom's Indomie is like the best for me.
I think that's like what I think like how we make our own Indomie versus like from Burjo, like it's different even from the texture and anything, because of the technique, not the
Yes.
spices and things. Different with my father actually, like my father cook Indomie differently. He had his own recipe,
Mm.
and it tastes different.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's enjoyable. How about Tabikus?
I like it because for me it's my comforting food, and when I watch K-drama, and I especially eating Korean spicy chicken.
Oh, so yeah,
It
it's
transport
comfort food.
maybe
Yeah.
it's transporting you to the K-drama world because you're eating the
Oh.
same thing as the K-drama thing.
And I also like any food with spicy. Everything and spicy food.
See, how about you?
For me, it's not just about taste, but for me, it's people like memory behind it. So I like rendang so much. It's
So, yeah.
Behind.
That's something emotional touch into
Yes.
that food. So yeah.
What
for
about
me,
you? Why are you craving beef burger right now?
I think there is some story behind it, like because currently I'm in Semarang, right? I'm far from home, and back then I think like burger, fried chicken, the Kentucky one is like
Very easy
some-
to grab,
no,
right?
it's actually something special because
Oh.
my mother don't let me eat it
Oh.
very often. Like I don't know, when I was a child, it's like 2 or 3 months once. So yeah, and currently I'm here, I can eat it
Every
freely.
time, yeah.
Yeah, up to me. So yeah,
That's why you're craving.
that's why I'm craving things that is actually not really healthy when I'm here.
I think if we're abroad or maybe ngerantau, we eat just to get full, not just
Yeah,
not for healthy
Right.
maybe.
Yes.
yeah.
It's
It's,
really like
I think because it's easier to get also, right?
yeah, it's easier to get and sometimes it's the only place that is open.
Yeah, that's all. And I don't know. I think it's for me only. Like here, I hardly find any good vegetable to eat.
Yeah, sometimes, but I don't know.
You don't like any vegetables?
I do eat vegetable, but I don't really attract. Not attract. I don't.
Crave maybe, right?
Yeah, I don't crave for vegetable. I mean, if I forced to, I will eat vegetable, but not
Maybe
by my.
all people is forced to eat vegetables.
But some of them.
Yeah, maybe some of them.
But yeah, I think most of them.
So you just picky eater for vegetables.
Yeah, but the others I eat it. But not like all vegetables. I do have some vegetable that I like broccoli,
Mm.
and
Spinach?
then spinach. Yeah, so
So.
So.
yeah. Like if I want, I will eat. But if
There's some fun fact about me. One of my favorite foods yang I can describe right now is eggplant.
oh yeah, I also like eggplant. Yeah.
I really love eggplant. Sometimes my friends make fun of me because I just only buy the eggplants in like Sami Senang or something.
Oh, because of the texture.
No, I don't know why. I just like terong as it is.
Wait. So you just eat eggplant and rice?
Yes, it's good. It's good.
Right.
It's
Oh
good.
my God,
There's no
yeah,
protein.
fried. It's fried. It's fried. With sambal.
Yeah,
It's
but
good.
there's no protein.
And it's just 12 rupiah, cuma 12.000.
I'm sorry, you don't look like the one that needs money saved. That's a compliment.
No, it's not a compliment. Yeah,
I think
maybe.
that's a compliment.
Okay, actually, you remind me of the actual favorite food because yeah, lately every time I go back to my home for holiday, my mom always make me fried eggplant with green sambal. But because I cannot really eat spicy, she make it not spicy.
Oh,
Also with anchovy.
yeah.
Yeah, and it's really good. I really like it. Okay. Do you think like do you have like because most of you have lifelong favorite food, right? Is there any like back then you like this food and currently not?
I have that food. It's actually durian. When I was little, I liked durian, but now I'm older. I don't know why I cannot eat it. If you ask me why, I don't know. I just cannot stand the smell. I cannot stand the
So you really do
texture.
not eat it anymore?
I don't eat it anymore.
For me, I think yeah. I back then when I was a kid, I really liked durian, but there is a point, not point. There's a time where I eat and got really
Sick of it, right?
yeah sick of it.
Because you eat it like almost not almost
Not
every day,
yeah.
but it's like a current.
By the time there is a durian, I eat too much
Yeah.
at the point where I got sick of it, and now I cannot eat like too much. Just yeah, 3 or 4 pieces.
Do you like pancake durian?
I
Durian
don't.
pancake.
I don't know. I think I never tried doing pancake, but I personally don't like durian turns into
Something.
food. Yeah, just like
You just like fresh
yeah,
durian.
fresh whole durian. Like that.
Is it because it's too dominating as an aroma?
I don't think.
you
I don't
should
know.
be on the
I don't
section.
think.
Pull your chair.
I don't think it's more of the smell. I think it's more for me. It's the texture.
Why?
I think
But if you mix it with some foods,
I don't like it.
I don't like it because the taste.
I don't know.
There is something different when you turn it into a different cake or something. It just tastes different.
Have you ever tried pancake durian?
I ever tried, but I don't think I like it
Why?
because the taste is like weird. Like Kak Isa say, the texture.
How about you? I think we didn't know you like durian or not.
I never tried
You
durian.
never tried durian?
No, because the aroma is
Oh yeah.
no,
Doesn't look good.
just no.
Too pungent.
Yes.
So yeah, that durian just all apa was really taste good, but no.
Yeah, no, I think maybe like sometimes people said like if you're little, your palate develops, right?
Yeah.
And that's why I think that's why I don't like durian right now because my palate develops, but my family likes durian, so it's just maybe my preference that I don't eat durian.
Yeah. Back to us, like
Mm.
what do you like? Right? How about you, Kak? Like, do you like this food back then, but now you don't
Hmm.
really eat it anymore, or
I seem like you do. I'm the picky eater, and I think I eat everything because no, I don't like oval, edible oval,
oh yeah, yeah, I do
like babat
yeah,
or
Yeah.
Kikil.
I like kikil.
Oh.
Uh, babat and gong.
Gongso is how you cook it.
Oh, so yeah, sorry.
Kikil.
Babat and lidah apa lidah?
Tahu?
Oh, yeah.
You like it back then, like you liked it before, or
No,
Oh,
never
really?
like it.
why?
So like that,
It's-
cause I think the smelling
Oh yeah.
is not good, and it's a lot of calories, right?
Oh yeah. Actually, I do like offal, but my mother won't let me eat.
Because
Too
of the
much
calories.
Yes,
I don't think
it
it's
make
worth the calories.
cholesterol, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one, and because it's
I
like
think
the
it's
inner
because
organs
just
of the
inner organs and
animals.
fat.
Yeah, fat. And
That's full of fat.
I don't know, my mother still maybe she thinks that because it's the inner organ, it's something dirty and not supposed to be eaten. I think
So how about chicken feet?
chicken feet.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You said because your mother don't let you eat because it's
Oh.
inner organ. But chicken feet, it's the feet.
Actually, my mother rarely
know.
cook the chicken feet. Like if she buy like chickens, I don't think she cook the chicken feet.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, but if she buy like ready to cook fried
Chicken.
chicken, there is the feet and I actually eat it.
Okay.
And my mom, I think it's still okay.
Maybe
Yeah.
because it's maybe more clean because it's
Because
just
it's already washed and
Yeah.
things.
and because it's not intestines. It's
Yeah.
not inside of the
Yeah, it's
animal.
I think so maybe yeah. How about it? Yes, like any favorite food?
For me, it's tofu
Oh, food. What? Why do you? Why are you currently not liking it?
because the texture and not every tofu is I like because the texture is for the texture.
The texture. I think
The
for
tofu
me,
one in the penyetan.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't like it?
No.
I think for me the difference from tofu is just the taste because not everyone can produce tofu in the good condition, in the good quality. Right? Some of them is too sour.
Yeah.
Yeah, some of them are too firm. Some of them are
Yeah.
too soft.
For me, the food that I like back then, because I'm Christian, is
Pig.
yeah, pig.
Uh,
Especially the part that is close to the skin because the fat
Oh,
is right
yeah.
there.
oh,
Back then, I think it was very delicious. Like, yeah, this
And
is
now?
really my favorite food. But now I think I just don't mind eating
Okay.
because if you eat that part too much, yeah, you get sick of it.
Yeah, I mean everything with fat.
Yeah, everything with fat. If you eat too much, you just
You get sick of it.
Yeah, I can't handle it.
Sometimes I eat. Do you guys eat bakso, right? You eat
Yeah.
bakso, right? Sometimes bakso has like the what is it called? Not kikil. I forgot. Tetelan.
Yeah.
Tetelan.
Betulan.
That part is very good, but
Yep.
if you eat it like too many times, you get sick of it.
I actually don't really like bakso.
What?
What?
That's your mom's
Meatballs
favorite
really
food.
Good.
No, it's overrated. Bakso is overrated.
No, it's
Right.
every mom Indonesian's mom favorite food. It's
Good.
bakso.
No,
Yeah.
it's too overrated. Mie ayam, it's still perfectly rated, but bakso.
No, you're
I
weird
really
for
agree
saying
with-
me. I am.
I'm agree.
Huh?
Agree, it's overrated.
Yeah,
No,
it's
I said
overrated.
it's overrated.
You have to find the
No.
perfect bakso and the perfect sambal.
Yep.
No, it's
Yeah.
Nah, I mean
overrated.
sambal, it's always Niki Haru. Shout out to Niki Haru. But
If you from West Java, you can find a lot of really meatball, really good meatball, and it,
No, let's just say
West or East?
Solo meatball, Solo bakso Solo or bakso Malang. It's overrated.
I don't like bakso
know.
Malang.
You
I
don't.
like bakso
Yeah, you
biasa.
don't. Yeah.
Boyolali.
Don't eat bakso. I don't know. It's not bakso Malang. It's just the normal bakso. It's not bakso Malang.
Bakso
That's the
Boyolali.
I think it's good.
I don't know. It's just the meatball.
Yeah, bakso Malang is not good at all.
Bakso Malang, it's good
Nice.
if you have
in Semarang.
the sambal.
Mm.
You have to
Udin,
find the
udin
good box sambal.
udin, udin bahasa udin.
Bakso Mahmudin.
Also udin. Next one.
Yeah, I don't know because I only eat bakso there once. Yeah.
and you didn't eat bakso, you chose mie ayam.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You chose mie ayam with bakso. No.
No,
you
not
you
even
Yeah,
eat
no, mi ayam still has bakso, so it's still superior to bakso.
Yep.
Yeah.
No. But
You said it. You said it.
mie
Drag your chair and continue to argue this topic.
Oh yeah, actually bakso is one of the food that I like before and I don't really
You
like
don't
it
like it
now.
right now.
But yeah, but then I only like the bakso tusuk where yeah people just
bakso bakar.
no not bakso bakar, just like straight up people with gerobak.
Oh.
How do you like? Yeah. Do you like it? What? Like
Just
No. It's
bakso with skewers and you put soy sauce there.
cilor?
No, bakso.
Okay, so we have Faiz on the screen.
You want to go in?
Yeah, because it's too controversial. I feel like
The controversial
It's actually
topic
just like
of
yeah.
bakso and mi ayam.
share the microphone.
Okay.
Hello guys.
So
So, Faiz is going to debate for mi ayam, and
Yeah.
I'm going to preach
Versus
for bakso.
Yeah. Okay. Start.
We
start.
just meatball.
Ladies first.
Okay, bakso. You have mi ayam with bakso and pangsit. That's just superior.
No.
That's my end of story.
No. Bakso is like it complements mie ayam, but you,
Ngarap sana.
oh yeah, but bakso on itself it doesn't work.
Bakso itself works if you have a nice broth and a nice bakso texture.
Which is the same broth in mie ayam, and
No, it's
actually
not.
in mie ayam they add oil
It's
and
not.
other seasonings, so it's even more flavorful.
Bakso also has seasoning and oils.
What do you think mie ayam is the go-to meal for men who's like very confused and like headache?
No. Men usually eat nasi goreng, not mi ayam.
No. Nasi goreng
I
is a
think
go-to
it's
food
too-
if they're hungry.
Oh.
Yeah. Ultimately, when
night.
you're so hungry, you go to nasi goreng.
not wrong.
No.
And actually you said that mi ayam have bakso, right?
Yeah.
I actually like mi ayam without bakso.
Yeah.
Oh.
Straight up mi ayam and pangsit if possible, but not with
Mm.
bakso.
But here, the soup for bakso is the one for mie ayam too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and then they add oil and micin.
In the one
Yeah, and
part,
bakso
in the
is
one-
also.
Yes, also.
You also.
You also add micin and you also
Yeah.
add oil.
No, you
Yes.
Yes.
You
And
never
it's
see
just like the recipe on the broth, like it's already put micin and
No, if you can add it, you can add it.
really.
Yeah.
No.
You
the-
don't know.
The way you make mie ayam is you put oil and then
Or
you put
abang-abang add it. The
Yeah.
micin one.
you put even dry seasoning and then you pour the broth in and the cooked noodle.
mie ayam usually the broth usually is come to the with on the side, right?
Okay.
You don't have mie ayam with like full broth.
Okay.
That's weird.
One thing that bakso can't beat mie ayam is texture. You don't have a lot of texture in bakso.
You have tahu, you have tofu, you have somai, you have
Me too.
meat, you have meat, you have noodles, you have a vermicelli.
But with mie ayam, you can go with chicken feet. And then
Sometimes bakso you can go with chicken feet.
I feel like
And tatawan too.
there's no
And tatawan
budget
too.
limitation when
Yeah,
she
yeah.
eats. There's no budget limitation when she chooses
No.
bakso. She just adds everything. I think at some point she will add wagyu, guys.
Oh.
No, that's too
For
much for
everything.
bakso. Sometimes the higher price bakso is not good.
Oh, I agree.
It's more of the gerobakan, the abang-abangan.
The one with tapioca, more
Yeah,
tapioca.
no. Still a good amount of tapioca, still a good amount of meat, but no formalin.
I think it's just when you make it traditional way, it's
Yeah,
it's
it's
better.
more.
Then yeah, in the mall bakso, like
No, it's I think yeah, bakso.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bakso lapangan tembak that doesn't work.
Yeah.
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 Okay, there we go.
Bakso-
We agree on something.
Something that I maybe all of TikTok agree. Bakso lapangan softball di
Where is it?
GBK di Gelora Bung Karno.
Oh.
Fun.
Wait. Come from here.
Far from here. I'm sorry. Far from here.
Yeah.
Sorry, too far from here.
Stick
But
to Tembalang area, please.
if you want Tembalang area, it's called bakso doa ibu.
Where is it?
where's the exact location?
It's in front of Ada.
Oh.
That's not Tembalang.
That's not Tembalang anymore.
That's not
Yeah,
Tembalang.
yeah, but it's
I mean,
Yeah, it's very
but it's Marang.
close to
It's close,
Tembalang.
yeah.
Is
Close to
it because the meatball or
The
For the
meatball
soup.
and the soup and the tetelan.
You can also add tatalan to mie ayam, by the way.
But I
No,
don't know.
you
No, you
can.
can.
You can.
I don't think you add chicken.
You don't
and-
work.
I
You
can
don't work.
go aga. I can go aga. I literally.
Tetelan is gotten by if you
make
make the broth for the bakso.
Ah.
Yeah, which they sell when they say bakso, they sell mie ayam as well.
Not all the time.
Not all the time, but when they have tatalan, they also have mie ayam.
No. If you have if
They
mie
say-
ayam always have bakso, but bakso don't always have mie ayam.
Yeah, cause then bakso wouldn't exist. It would just be called mie ayam.
No, it's always mie ayam with bakso. Right?
Yeah, mie ayam bakso. It's the additional thing.
But it still has bakso.
Your favorite meal is a side meal. It's
No,
just to
it's not.
complement the mie ayam.
No, it's not.
It's literally called mie ayam bakso. Is it not called bakso mie ayam? This is ultimate rage quit.
No, bakso mie. And
This
that's
is just.
this is just a debate for bakso and ayam because it couldn't work bakso with mie ayam, but mie ayam with bakso it's gonna work, right?
Yeah, cause it has more texture.
What texture?
Like the celery, then sayurnya apa?
Bakso has celery. Sometimes
Yeah.
has celery.
But too much broth.
You can
Sometimes you
adjust
need
it.
a bit of the dryness to make it work.
Yo, so you just like the dryness.
Not really.
So what did?
Mie ayam is just a better link up, a better combo.
Okay.
Move on.
Move on,
Next
move on,
meal.
move
Next
on.
meal. I
This
feel
is
like,
going to be
yes.
a
So
long
you're going
debate.
to
This is
debate
like-
about another food.
Oh.
You mean?
I don't know. You're the
Let's
you're
see the
host.
hot tech first.
Next.
Oh yeah, I remember that Kaki said like bakso is every mom's favorite food, right?
Yeah.
My mom likes mie ayam.
No, fine. It's okay. Different people like different foods, but some every people that I know, the moms, they usually if they're going to go out somewhere, they're going to eat bakso.
But actually, my mom,
This is going nowhere.
she does like bakso but different kind. It's fish bakso,
Oh.
and I think that's what that's a food that my mom like, but my mom likes to make, but I don't like it.
Yeah. I feel like we can turn the conversation on hating your mom here. No, really. I'm sorry, tante.
So yeah, because I join,
Yeah,
Give
Mom.
me-
Why am I here? Why am I here?
give me your favorite food.
Bebek
Yeah,
goreng.
Not
Bebek
ayam
goreng.
penyet, because you already eat it like.
Economically, when I'm with my parents, bebek goreng.
Oh.
Ayam
Because
goreng,
it's
ayam
with,
goreng it's
spicy.
more
Cheap.
No.
No,
Bebek goreng.
bebek is
Bebek
more
goreng,
spicy,
yeah, more
more
spicy.
fatty, more umami, and then sambal madura, sambal hitam.
Sambal.
Oh, yeah.
bumbu hitam.
Ayam
Bebek
bumbu hitam.
sinjai.
No.
No, you don't.
Not sinjai.
We don't have money for sinjai.
Is it very expensive?
No, yeah, it's normal for
30.
30K above maybe.
Yeah.
It's really something.
What the frick is wrong with my mic?
Okay, because is it a phase or long life? Long life, like do you like to eat this bebek goreng from your
I feel like it's a phase because I think I started liking fried duck from like primary school to middle of junior high, and then it started getting fancy. I think I started liking pasta and pizza.
more than pizza?
Huh?
More than pizza?
Pasta and
Pasta
pizza.
or and pizza.
Oh, so because it's a phase, and then I think it was on until
It's
now.
still.
It's still like in my top 3.
Mm. So yeah, I want to ask Kakisha and Kabit. Which one of you long last one again?
What?
What?
The one you like from little? I forgot. This food you like from little?
Oh, Indomie.
Yeah. And then who? Okay. Yes.
Yes. You like it from your child.
Oh yeah.
So do you think
Yeah. Do you think it'll last till
it-
you're old?
because it's do you think you will like it until you are old?
I think yes, because the memory rendang has it.
What you like?
I don't think I will like Indomie for a very long time.
Yeah, because I feel like as you're growing older, I feel like
Your
you s-
palate,
yeah, and you start to like lighter foods.
your palate, say
More
changes
Yeah.
sometimes, and that's why I like terong goreng.
It's still tasty. What do you mean, like? Oh yeah, you're
What?
still in your 20s, no?
I'm still in my 20s.
Yeah,
I'm not
exactly.
30. Settle down.
Uh,
Settle down.
So at 40, you'll be eating raw eggplant or something.
It's not going to be raw. I think it's going to be
It's like, it's like.
tumis, but with
Oh.
coconut oil maybe. More healthier foods. Now we can use like air fryers.
Oh,
We can
yeah.
use technology. We can do roasted.
Yeah,
Eggplant.
roasted eggplant is top tier.
Yeah.
Better than
Balado
fried.
eggplants, you like it?
But that's my favorite. My grandma usually makes balado eggplant.
So for Tias, do you think that nostalgia is tricking your taste? Like because you eat it from long time ago.
I think yes, because like I said before, the rendang one have memory behind it. And for me, if I come back to my home, I always say to my mom to cook it. And for sahur in Indonesia, most of them sahur with rendang, right? So, but because I'm here, I cannot do it sahur with rendang because it's so expensive.
But you can
Okay,
buy.
actually eat it at
Sahur?
sahur.
I don't know. I've never eaten.
It's
rendang.
like a new-
Sometimes you eat it with sour because it's
It's
like
the leftover from.
Yep.
Oh,
Rendang
yes,
has
I
a
know what.
lime
From
after.
it's
Yeah.
tough.
If you
maybe.
if you
But sometimes I usually eat rendang not for sahur. I eat it the day of Eid.
I thought you were gonna say it for mokel.
No mokel. I'm sorry.
what is mokel?
No.
So do you
Believe me,
think
guys.
Yeah, this is out of topic.
Orangi, what about your favorite food? And has it been from your childhood?
No, he already said.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he
How
likes
was it?
everything.
I like everything.
No,
I
but
eat
now
food.
he's craving. Now he's craving
Beef burger.
beef burger.
Burger.
Oh, let's go. I want. Okay.
Later, karena later.
Now see,
You're fasting, right?
Yeah.
we don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know.
But I think, what do you want to ask?
Huh?
Other than that? No?
Well, no.
Okay, so, do you think,
Me or you?
Gio.
uh, healthy or unhealthy that food?
Not bad.
How I call it? Become a reason that you like the food?
Oh, the healthy or
Yeah.
unhealthy. I don't think so. I think it's more about the practicality for Indomie, right? Because as like uni students, we are lazy sometimes too.
Not sometimes.
Like always, okay, always.
Always.
And sometimes you eat and you don't eat until you're like your stomach. Yeah, you have a stomach ache or something. Yeah.
Aslam and shit.
And GERD and something.
Yeah.
That's why Indomie is more practical because you're just going to
Kitchen.
to the kitchen and just cook it very easy. You can cook it. I have a funny story. I cook Indomie in a kettle.
Kettle? Like,
You know, like the tea kettle.
Damn.
Oh.
Ultimate laziness here.
There.
Okay.
But that's so practical though. So you just pour the water.
Yeah, you just pour the water sometimes. Or
And then do you
as-
pour the seasoning into the kettle? Or?
no, I put it. If I make Indomie goreng, I put the water in the put the Indomie in the kettle.
Yeah.
So it's like boiling at the same time.
Okay.
It's quite
And
common.
if I cook Indomie rebus, I put it in a bowl, just boil the water and just pour it.
Ah.
That I learned because I make Indomie. Me and my friends were in a training center one time, and we don't have a oven. We don't have a stove or something, and we cook it with the kettle.
I actually have almost the same story with Kakesha. Instead of kettle, I use rice cooker
Oh, yeah.
because in my course, the kitchen is on the second floor, and I really lazy to.
There's
go
a
up.
kitchen in your course.
Yeah.
You really cook that.
Really?
Rarely. You
Oh,
rarely cook.
Not rarely. I
Never.
Yeah, I never.
That's why I just know it. I just found that.
I never
your
cook
course has
also
a
in
kitchen.
cost, even though the kitchen is like
near.
very near. Like if I go open, that's the kitchen.
Same like me.
Like that rice cooker I use like only on the first semester, like the first and second day of study, just to cook a little bit of rice, and then my mom said try to make porridge with it, and because I failed to make the porridge, it's just become very glutinous rice. After that, I didn't make any food with that anymore. So yeah, you really like instant foods.
I don't
Or
like
just
instant. I
specifically
just
in
like
corners?
the practicality of instant food.
Also just Indomie, not another brand.
No, I like mie sedap also. I like the soup based one from
Singapore laksa.
No, the ayam bawang from
Oh.
specifically from Indomie sedap.
Indomie sedap.
Mie sedap.
Ah.
Two different brands. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
She's trying to merge the company.
I mean, you don't know. I mean, we don't know. I mean,
don't forget us yet.
yeah.
When you're successful merging
So-
Indomie and Mie Sedap. Don't
So
forget
yeah,
about us.
actually we not realize that we actually explain why it's our favorite food, right? So why do you guys think that we need to explain it? Why do you?
I don't think it's more explaining. It's just more about what we like about the food, right? Like my favorite food is like this. You don't have to like it, right?
Yeah.
Because people have different tastes. it's more of the joy that brings it if we eat our favorite food.
So yeah, it's okay to like something without a reason.
Yeah, it's okay. I think
But
you just like it because you can eat it. It's also fine. Sometimes I like specifically I like coffee. I like coffee because I enjoy just drinking. I just like drinking coffee. That's just an explanation. You don't know if I just like the bitterness of the coffee or just something. I just like the coffee.
So yeah, it's okay to like something. Yeah, we don't need people to judge it. It's just what we like. Yeah, we also like.
everyone have preference. Right?
Yeah, we also eat it usually.
It's off.
So
I think it's out of
Share.
battery maybe. Oh, share. Okay.
well, what I want to say is we actually eat food without people. Like yeah, we eat it on our own.
Yeah,
so
we-
I don't think we need people to
We like it because we like it.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's all for our session. Maybe one of you want to give a takeaway message about this session.
Me ayam better than bakso.
Term is superior.
Yeah, I can agree. On
I
that.
agree with that.
If you don't like vegetables, you should try terong.
Yeah. Top tier. Different
Yes, yes.
kasta.
You already said for me I don't like Indomie because Katisha like it. I don't like Indomie.
It's okay, Kak. Don't-
It's okay. It's okay. I sometimes people don't like Indomie. I don't know.
My favorite food doesn't need explanation because just because I like it.
Yeah. So
And enjoy eating your food
yeah.
as you wish.
Yeah.
Don't be judged by people and everything. Just eat it for you
Yeah.
and for your body.
It enters your body, not people's body.
Yes.
Yeah, that's from us. Bye bye.
Bye.